Hello, good morning everyone. Good morning Mulunji. Good morning Nina. Good morning Rebecca. I hope you're very fine. You're looking good, I can see. Are your cheeks big now? Since it is a long lockdown. And you're doing great. Oh, are you still doing my work? I'm here back for you. Teacher Esther is here going to teach you something else again. I hope you still remember last time we looked at sounds. Do you still remember the sounds we looked at? Rebecca, do you still remember the sounds? Glory? Okay, let us remind ourselves with our sounds. And you're doing great. Oh, are you still doing my work? I'm here back for you. Teacher Esther is here going to teach you something else again. I hope you still remember last time we looked at sounds. Do you still remember the sounds we looked at? Rebecca, do you still remember the sounds? The first sound we looked at was sound, and another one sound, ants on my arms, ants on my arms, and another one, do you still remember? Sound, snake in the grass, snake in the grass. And I'm going to show it to you here. You still remember this sound? Sounds. And remember I told you sound C, it has friends. Are you seeing the friends of sound C? Sorry. Are you seeing the friends of sound C? We looked at sun. You can repeat after me. Sun. We also have here star. Star. You know, sound C, it has many friends, and you also have many friends. Snake. Snake. And also this one. Sounds is also having soap. Soap. Another one here, a friend of sounds, is stone. We also have stone. Again, stone. And this is sound, snake in the grass. And now, another sound we looked at, it is like this. Sound, ants on my arms, ants on my arms. Also sound it also has friends. It has friends. And the friend here we see here, apple. Repeat after me, apple. Again, apple. Another one, arrow. Arrow. And another friend for sound, axe. Again, axe. Again, axe. And today we are going to look at sound. Another sound we are going to look at today. Sound. Do you like to know sound T? You're going to know it from today. I know you're going to understand it better. Okay, here we have sound. This is my sound T. Here, my sound T. Do you know how to write sound T? I know you. I hope now you know how to write sound T. Not so? Let us write it together. Let us try. Because I told you that writing symbols. Remember? Sound. A standing stick, straight, and a sleeping stick. This is sound. Sound. sound, 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 sound. Do like this your head and do like this. Move your head like this. Sound, sound, sound. Okay. Let us have sound T here also. Here I have it. Are you saying sound T? Do it again. Sound, 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 sound. And here sound T, it also has friends. Are you excited to see the friends of sound T? Let us look at them. Are you seeing them? Sound, sound. Here we have friends of sound T. T, tin, T, tin. T, T, table, T, table, T, table. And here, T, tree, T, tree, T, tree. And here, T, ten, T, ten, T, ten. All of these are friends of sound. Friends of sound. Let me ask you again. What do you think it is, this sound? What sound is this? Sound. Repeat after me. Sound. Sound. This is sound T. And today we are going to look at sound T, and we are also going to have some work with sound T. Are you ready to do my work? Yeah, I know you're ready. You like the work. You're good. Now, today we are going to try to shade. We are going to shade sound, shade sound, shade sound. What are you going to do? Shade sound, shade sound. Shading sound T. And when you're shading sound T, you're going to get a color at home. Any color, you shade sound T. Like this, you shade. I like shading, shading, shading. I like shading, shading, shading. I like shading. And that is how you're going to do it. We're shading sound T. And after that, I'm going also to give you another homework in your books. You tell mommy to draw for you like teacher Esther. And here also you are going to trace. You're going to trace sound, sound, sound. For this sound T, you're going to hold your pencil like this. You hold your pencil, you trace, trace, trace like this, like this, like this. Yay! I've done it. And like this, like this, like this, like this. Yay! I'm done. Sound, sound. I know you're going to do it better than teacher Esther. You're going to do it like, you're going to do it more than me, Not so? Okay, this is sound T we had for you today. Remember to tell mommy to subscribe on our YouTube channel and to press a notification bell and to have more lessons. Next time, I don't want you to miss other sounds we are going to look at. But for today, we had sound, sound, sound. Okay. Do as I do. Do as I do, I do, 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 I do. Sound, 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 sound. I hope you're going to do it more. You remember you shared and trace sound T. And this is all we had for you today with sound T. And next time we are going to look to another sound. Don't forget to tune in and watch Teacher Esther teaching you again. Okay, bye bye. See you next time. Have a good day.